It's just incredible watching those clouds roll over the mountain. Nature never ceases to amaze me. Morning guys, nice morning, nice and crisp in the morning. It's 1:15 a.m. We're just having our breakfast, our very early breakfast, getting ready for our trek this morning. So at the moment we're at the lodges at Mt Kinabalu. We trekked it up here yesterday. We're at an elevation of 3,200 meters and we're climbing up to 4,000, so another 800 to go. But anyway, I think my quads have been rested, my knees are alright, so feeling pretty good, feeling pretty strong. So hopefully the sun comes out to play, that it's a good sunrise trek for once. I never have any luck with these sunrise treks. Every single time I've done it in Indonesia and Myanmar and whatever else, it's always cloudy, it's always crap, but I have a good feeling about this one. So yesterday we climbed 1,400 meters elevation over 6 kilometers and I did that in 5 hours. And this morning should be about the same pace, same height. We have to go 3 kilometers, 800 meters elevation over 3 hours. Off to a good start, I think. This first kilometer is going to be the hardest one and the steepest one. So just taking it easy, step by step. And also following a whole group of people, so I'm only going at their pace so I don't burn myself out. Alright guys, we're just now halfway up the mountain. It's been an hour and a half, so it's 4:30 now, and we've passed through the hardest part of the climb. It's actually pretty treacherous. It was like galing winds on the way up. It was like all the way up the stairs, and yeah, I think I'm starting to feel the thin air up in this elevation. There's some people here wearing some serious gear, but yeah, everyone seems to be geared up with their Kathmandu or Columbia trekking gear, whereas I just got my chinos. I'm wearing like a singlet, a shirt, this green long sleeve and my windbreaker, and that seems to be enough. It's actually not that cold up here. A lot less than what I thought. I think we've got another hour to climb another 1.5 kilometers. So this second half should be a lot easier and we should go up a lot faster. Alright, let's do it. Okay, Alright, and we have made it to the top of Mt Kinabalu. Yes, made it in time for the sunrise. 6 o'clock on the dot. I might have underestimated how cold it is. I am freezing my nuts off. My hands and my face is going to freeze off any second. It is freezing up here. But it's worth it. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. And then on the way down, when it starts to brighten up, you'll see how crazy the terrain is. It is crazy. Oh, what an amazing sunrise. Beautiful, beautiful morning. Turned out. Me and Sylvester made it. Yeah. Alright, let's get a shot on the sign. Oh, this is sick. Now I am really at the highest peak of Borneo. Right here. Right on the top. And the sun came through the clouds. Came to the party this morning. Can't even move my lips and talk. I'm so frozen. Ugh. So cold, my hands are so cold. So totally worth it, look at that. Kind of feel sad that Mav's not here with me. In my 5 months of travel, I never watched a sunrise or a sunset without Mav.
this would have to be the first like absolutely incredible one. She's not here. But here it is, guys. Here's the sign. Kinabalu Park World Heritage. There it is. 4,095 meters. It's just incredible watching those clouds roll over the mountain. Nature never ceases to amaze me. At the top of the mountain or on the bottom of the ocean while scuba diving. So a little tip, if you guys are doing this hike, bring a snack. Brought myself a Kit Kat and Milo drink. Yes. Or milk. Hopefully I don't have a diarrhea on the way back. But see this, at this altitude, see this Kit Kat, it's actually bloated up. It's actually like puffed up, if you can see it. Highly recommend this trek, guys. Highly recommend it. Incredible landscapes, just the right amount of difficulty. It's worth it. It's worth it for this sunrise. And there's the peak up there where I was. Now I gotta make my way all the way back down there. Down there. All the way down. Down to the clouds. I am so wrecked right now. As soon as I got back to the hostel, I conked out and had a 30-minute nap. I'm not sore yet, but I reckon later today it's all gonna like creep up and then it's all gonna hurt. And now I'm just having my real breakfast. It's 9 o'clock now, so as soon as I finish this, we're gonna make our way down to the bottom. So the tour I did from the hostel, the total I paid was $13.50 ringgit, so that's around 500 bucks, which is a little bit pricey. But then I'm staying at the hostel, you know, which is in another section. And the people that I met, they're actually staying inside this area. So upstairs, they've actually got pretty nice rooms. It's still double bunk beds, but it's a lot more cozy rather than being out there. And they pay $18.50, so that's closing to the $670 mark per person, which is yeah, pretty pricey. I don't know why it's that expensive. It shouldn't be, but you know, that's the way it is. So coming back down was a lot faster. It took 3 hours to go up to the top from here and only took an hour and a half to smash it down. So yesterday it took 5 hours to go up to this point. So I'm hoping it only takes 2.5 hours to smash it down. I think that's just as much as my knees can take, I think. If you want to see how the trek was coming up, watch yesterday's vlog, but otherwise I might just get a B-roll of me smashing it down. But I'll see you guys back at Fellow Hostel. just a bit before 9 o'clock now, and we got back to the hostel at about 4 p.m. So I've just been chilling since. You know, it was raining on the way back, and it's actually cleared up, and a pretty nice night tonight. But you know, I was planning to check out the night markets tonight, but got to settle down a little bit, and I think I need to rest. I've been awake since 1 a.m. so I'm gonna pass out anytime soon. So from the top of Mt Kinabalu, we descended all the way down to the bottom, 2,200 meters in elevation, over 9 kilometers in 5.5 hours, and that killed my knees. I'm starting to feel it now, and I reckon it'll be a lot sore tomorrow. This is roti cobra ayam, which means a roti with egg and chicken. So this together is 10 ringgit, so altogether $3 or something like that. So pretty good value, although I think this might be a little bit heavy for dinner. It was definitely a mission to make it up that mountain, so hopefully you guys enjoyed that. Tomorrow I'm just going to be spending the day at Mt Kinabalu and just checking out the sights, so it should be another pretty good day. I'll see you guys then.